Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Marek health appointment or service, any service if you have taken. So how you can cancel? Basically you need to provide at least 24-hour notice period before cancellation if you want to avoid any penalty. Okay, so if you are not going to provide you any notice like 24-hour notice, then you have to pay like approx $50 of fees. Okay, and if we talk about like you can cancel your service, you can cancel your appointment, you can do anything, but you need to provide at least 24 hours notice period via email, via text, via phone. You can choose any method. Okay, so if we talk about like how you can contact, basically you can contact with the customer support team by visiting on their official website. On the official page they have contact information. You can choose any method and you can contact with their services, with their you can like appointments. You can cancel at any time. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.